Do you guys have any idea what this is? Hi fam, it's your girl Nikomi Kasai, and I am back with another video. I want to greet you all Happy Hearts Day. As you can see, I'm also wearing something red, which I don't usually do during Valentine's for some reason. Today is special because I got this gift the other day when we went out during the Black Panther premiere. My plus one surprised me. I didn't open it right away, so I thought, hey, I think today would be a perfect day to open such gift. Then when he gave me the box, it was full of glitters. Like, if shake it like this, it's a glitter bomb. I don't even know if you guys can see the glitters falling, but it is falling. Look at that. You can see the glitters. It's so nice, you know. I appreciate packaging when they gift wrap. Why do I even have scissors that don't cut? Look at that, it's barely cutting anything. Okay, I need another scissors. Okay, big ass scissors. Oh, see, that's simple, and it snips right out. It is such a nice wrapper, and I will probably would use it to prank someone else. Okay, so it's another wrapper inside there. Okay, that's out. Now let's open the... Trying to... Okay, so it's a toy. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. 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 I'm sorry guys, I am literally tearing up right now because I have always wanted a toy figure from this, and because I've been a follower of this series ever since volume 1, and it is currently on 5 seasons now, I guess, and their merch is just so freaking expensive, so I always try to save up, but then something gets in the way. You know, and oh my god, it's baby Ruby. Oh my god, look at all those glitters. Calm down, girl. We shall do an unpacking video. So this is RWBY's Ruby Rose toy figurine from Rooster Teeth. It is by the McFarlane Toys over there. And you got all your girls here: Ruby Rose, Wei Shni, Blake, Belladonna, and Yang Xiaolong. And I got Ruby. So in the front face, you got Ruby Rose's character there, and there are the usual warning signs there. At the back, it's the 4 girls. Now let's try to open it up. Okay, so let's pull her out. Oh, easy does it. Nothing there, nothing special, but she does have a backdrop, that snowy landscape and flowy petals from her red trailer, if I remember. She is secured with wires. Well, actually her weapon is more secure. We're gonna take those wires off. Oh. Sorry, I'm internally spazzing right now. Like, I'm so scared to pull out. It looks like the weapon is so fragile too. Her hair is all messed up. She has action hair right now. And then here is her stand. Her stand has a couple of rose petals scattered on the floor and empty bullet shells from her gun. So we're gonna place her. Ooh. I love how that they just totally have to cover her panty line there. And how frilly and rosy her petticoat is. Okay, so let's take a look at Rose, Ruby Rose. Her cape is bendable, so it's made of rubber. It does have like a distressed edge over here, raw edging. And her hair, what I love about her hair, it is so perfect for her action pose. What's missing though is the red tips that she is usually known for. So I might have to paint that in. And then her utility belt, it's actually glued, but on one side it's a bit loose, so it looks more realistic. Her legs are so weirdly proportioned. I don't know how that goes, if that's even possible to do. Look at how that bends. The stand has 3 pegs, one for her shoe, one for her knee, and for the other shoe. So we're gonna connect those together. Now the blade has its own protective plastic, which I will try my best to take out carefully. There we go. So nothing else bends. It's all pretty fixed. It's a fixed weapon right there. And now, how to actually put this back. Done. Oh my, I have forgotten how it was put. If she keeps coming out like that, I'm going to super glue her foot on the ground. Alright, she's looking awesome! Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. That is our Ruby Rose unpacking video for this special Valentine's Day. I'm sorry if you had to see all that emotional stuff. I'm a very big fan of RWBY. I've actually done my hair like Ruby Rose several times, even unintentionally. Once the barber cuts my hair, I just realized, oh, it looks like Ruby Rose, when I used to have colored hair and it just turned to ombre when I tried to grow my black hair back. So that's all for today, and if you want to see more from me, I do make reaction videos, more unpacking videos, and other exclusive event coverages that involves my cosplay life. You can always click the subscribe button here, and don't forget that bell button to be updated with my videos. So thanks you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Even if I don't have a date today, I am going to spend the day just rewarding myself. This is #1 already. Maybe I'm gonna get a pedicure or a manicure or something, because remember, Valentine's is just not for couples. It is spreading love, all right? At least for one day, let's all be loving and kind and patient. So till next video, this is your girl Nakomi, and I'll see you again next time. Mwah, mwah. Bye.